Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. Let's go to Hobby Lobby. I am looking for Valentine's things, Easter things, St. Patrick's Day things, especially for the kids. That way you can be inspired to do your own activities at home. So let's go shop with me. In this video, we have Valentine's Day, Easter, and a little bit of St. Patrick's Day to show you. Lots of good finds, especially for the little ones. So we're gonna start off with Valentine's Day. At Hobby Lobby, you can find a lot of craft items which are perfect for making your own Valentines or Valentine's Day crafts. They always have these packages of hearts. They come in different styles and different quantities. So if you have more children, you can buy the bigger packages, which is really nice. Most of them are self-adhesive stickers, so you just peel off the back and put them onto a card, which makes it super easy. Here's a little glimpse of the little tchotchkes they have. Lots of love-themed things here for your house. Then we have partyware. Love these little containers of drinkware. They have little heart-shaped trays in different colors, the pink and the red. These are all acrylic plates, and then they even have things for your home, like these little dish towels. I like this one with the heart on it. I think that one is really, really cute. This one is loved and be loved. Some crazy straws that are shaped in a heart, and then this really cool table covering here with the conversation hearts. They do have a lot of things that you can use for your Valentines, like these pencils. We have little teeth that wind up and have eyes on them. These are those mouth blowers that make sounds. These are stretchy hearts, and these are silicone rings with hearts on them too. If you're into the mini rubber duckies, they have heart themed ones and they're really tiny. Some little airplanes and bubble poppers, which apparently are still the rage, and craft kits. Like the little ladybug craft kit, I think that's really cute. The thing with these crafts is that they make multiples in a package. So if you have a church group, a school group, if you have a homeschooling collaboration, these are great because you can make multiples, or if you want to make Valentines for your class, you can have multiples to make individual Valentine's Day cards. So in this collection, I've seen bookmarks and pizza Valentines, monsters, and even felt food. Then we have some rhinestone packages with all kinds of different colors and some ceramic hearts. They do have some accessories that you can wear too, some headbands. We got some washi tape for crafts. Here are some really cute bracelets and jewelry. I like those a lot. They also have necklaces and charms to put on your jewelry. Hair accessories that are coiled and heart-shaped and bows. These are tearaway tattoos that you can use for your Valentines, and they even had emery boards and face masks, and let's not forget the Centos chalk package that looks like a chocolate heart, but instead of the chocolate, you have chalk. Then we have some socks with really cute sayings on them. My favorite is this taco one here, and then some stamps. You know your girl loves a good set of stamps. Some plushies here. Pizza is my Valentine, and fries before guys. They do have some pre-packaged Valentines that you can pick too, and I do have to say the selection is pretty good. They had everything from scratch off to tattoos to sticker by numbers erasers. There was even this little football game here, which is really clever. Then we have some silicone bracelets. This one comes with a magnifying glass and it has Valentines in them, so you just assemble them all together and it's all related. Sunglasses, Centos pins, and the Rubik's Cube heart blocks, and even the mini pinball games. These are always fun. They are watercolor books that include the paint on the page. Love the Valentine boxes here, so you can design and decorate your own, or they have some that are pre-decorated already, which is really great. We have these from previous years and they're still going to be used this year. We have decorations to hang up in a classroom or in your home. Really like that package of beads there. They also have the hearts with the glitter on them, but the glitter always comes off. These are make your own heart decoration kits, and they also have the doilies, very similar to Dollar Tree, and I think they're a little bit cheaper at Dollar Tree, but they did come in 2 different sizes. Also like Dollar Tree, they had the heart table scatter here, and it comes in bigger quantities, but I really love this red one down here. We did not see that at Dollar Tree. That's a good find. You will always find little books that are themed at Hobby Lobby, and you will usually find the Berenstain Bear books, which was my personal favorite when I was in 2nd grade. Then we have lots of different party wear and napkins and plates that all match for your Valentine's Day party. Really cute patterns. Like this mailbox here, it's a decorate your own, but it's a good take on the traditional Valentine's card mailbox, and they had a whole bunch of different ribbons to decorate those boxes. Things for the kitchen, drying mats and dish towels. They love themed dish towels at Hobby Lobby. We have stickers galore. They're really, really good at the stickers here. It's probably because they are a craft store and they have quite the selection in stickers, all kinds of different things for scrapbooking, card making, and different colored hearts. Love these measuring cups, especially for a sensory bin to scoop and play, and they're heart shaped, so you can have a really cute sensory bin that's Valentine's Day themed. Plus they have a lot of wooden things that you can use in an invitation to play or a Play-Doh kit. Even the little flowers that they have and the heart shapes, they will all be perfect additions for that, and you could use them year after year. Love the paper roll craft kits. So see those pretty much for every season. We even have some placemats here that you can color too if you're going to have a little Valentine's Day dinner at your house. Tic-tac-toe craft kit, some loose hearts there that are made out of paper that is corrugated, sunglasses, and then of course they have the Valentine's Day box kits. So you can use the boxes that they have or use your own, and it gives you all the materials to make your own Valentine's Day box. Everything you need is included in the kit. We've tried some of these in years past and have had good luck with them, and I really like that they're really affordable. With the discount, these are about a little over $3. Color your own bookmarks here that are Valentine's Day themed, and then they had mini posters. We have wooden cutouts here that are all heart themed. And way up at the tippy top was a make your own bubble kit. It looks like a gumball machine, and you color it and put things inside. Lots of different wreaths and things to decorate the house. Some more Valentine's Day cards, but these are more candy based. They had like Fun Dip and Sour Patch Kids. They even had giant gummy hearts and little hearts that poop out the candy, which my kids thought were hilarious. Some more arts and craft kits here that I found around the corner, including these pandas and monsters, which were adorable, and more make your own Valentine's Day cards. Did you guys make your own Valentine's Day cards growing up? I feel like I did a few years, and then other years we had store-bought. These little canvases are great because they come with the paint and the palette and the brush with the canvas, and then they had some more Valentine's Day boxes that were a little bit different than the pre-made ones. Then we have St. Patrick's Day, and they really had a lot this year. Many different craft kits, scratch art, make your own pom-poms, lots of clovers and shamrocks that you could use to decorate. We have tons and tons of St. Patrick's Day themed ribbon, sun catcher kits, more clovers, and of course gold coins. These aren't as great as the ones at Dollar Tree. Then they had some glitter coins that felt like foam pieces, lots of different flat clovers, and I love the rainbow pom-poms. That would be an amazing find for a sensory bin. They even had a leprechaun trap, which is a DIY kit. Comes with everything you need to make your own trap. Shamrocks that you can color. They did have the pots too. You can find these at Dollar Tree, just a little bit cheaper. Window cleans in a few different styles. And of course, like I said, stickers. They have tons of different stickers. They're super cute. Loved all the little rainbows and clovers. St. Patrick's Day socks for both adults and kids. And then they had a lot of different accessories to wear. I know that our school lets our kids wear St. Patrick's Day accessories, so they had hats and headbands. They had things that you could wear around your neck, necklaces, bow ties, all sorts of things. Then let's move on to some of the things to decorate a house. I'm just gonna skim over all of this so you can get an idea of the different things that they have. They also had a big section of knickknacks too, and I'm just gonna scroll down so you can take a look. They did have the nicer coins that are similar to Dollar Tree. They come in two colors here. I think Dollar Trees are just gold. And then Easter, you guys. Lots of different things for Easter. Definitely love this package of pastel eggs that are used for decorating a tree, but they'd be fun for imaginative play for toddlers. Lots of stickers, some egg banners, and they had some table scatter too. Use these for math manipulatives, counting activities, sorting. That'd be a lot of fun. They had a huge selection of eggs, although I think Dollar Tree is definitely beating them on the egg selection, but they did have some things that Dollar Tree doesn't have, like these extra large eggs, and then they have these that are shaped like remote controls for video games. These look like crystal eggs, some with different designs, sports themes, which Dollar Tree did have, and then the carrots. You can get these at Dollar Tree too, a little bit cheaper. Now let's take a moment for the baskets. The baskets need their own aisle because there were just so many of them. So I think I'm just going to push up the music a little bit so you can take a look at the baskets. They're really adorable. Then for Easter basket stuffers and fillers, we have some really cute puzzles. These are all religious-based puzzles. Thought those are a lot of fun. These are bubble eggs. Inside you get some bubble solutions and some bubble wands. Packages of mini erasers and stamps. We have little pencils. These are little whistles that you put in your mouth that look like rabbit mouths. We have Cento's coloring kits. Their book selection had Biscuit, had Berenstain Bears, and a lot of bunny-themed stories. They even had an Easter Pete the Cat book and a sticker activity book from the Beginner's Bible. These little eggs were filled with building blocks that you can make your own vehicle. I saw 3 different ones at this particular store, and I just think these are great Easter basket fillers. Great thing to do, and then you can use it afterwards. They had little balls here, yo-yos that came in 2 packs. And then some fun sensory items. These are really fun light up squishies. Wall crawlers, Peeps brand merchandise too, lots of different things in that section. The Rubik's Cube Easter theme, you can also find those at Dollar Tree. And then down here at the bottom, I found the most adorable wooden cars. Look at this little carrot. These were nice quality. I like those a lot. We have some mini pinball machines in 2 different styles. And then we have this puzzle, which I thought was simply adorable. That would be a really, really great toddler item. We have mini tattoos and rabbit purses. For the accessories to wear, lots of different bunny ears in a couple of different styles, lots of different jewelry and necklaces, especially for the kids. Earrings were really, really adorable. Bead kits, which would also be really great as Easter basket fillers. Same with all of the different socks. And they had tutus. And look at this cute little purse. It had a little sequins on it. It was really adorable. Big selection of stuffies for the Easter basket too. Definitely loved the little dinosaurs. Those were really, really sweet. Just a heads up too that there's summer things are out, and I'm not going to go through all this. I might need another video. If enough of you convince me to do one, I will do one for summer finds. If you like this video, I've got a couple more on the screen for you to go watch next. I will see you over there. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.